Kind of similar to that In the Air Tonight, Phil by Phil Collins, which is... Hey guys, Kyle here for another edition of Woodshed Wednesday. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are back at the kit and we're continuing our conversation about the 3-3-2 pattern. So last week we varied up the 2 section of the fill. Today we're going to vary up the 3s. So up till now we've just been going hands, foot, foot, hands, foot, foot. We're going to mess with that and we're going to have 2 hands and 1 foot. These are just a couple variations that I like to use. We're going to start with starting with the kick drum, then 2 hands. Check it out. Now you can reverse that and go 2 hands, 1 kick. Check that out. Kind of similar to that In the Air Tonight, Phil by Phil Collins, which is a classic, and any chance you get to play that, it's fun. So have fun with these guys, and I'll see you guys next week.